Hi all, this is Mazda BT-50, not a big video on timing belt replacement. The exact same motor is fitted to a Ford Ranger. The motor here is installed 2,5 TDCi. Now I will show you how to install. Here is the new belt and pulleys. You can see the unscrewed Visco clutch. It needs to be removed to replace the timing belt. The marks on the cam's hafts should be set like this, 2 orange markings opposite. The second mark we need is the mark on the high-pressure pump pulley. There is a mark on the engine block, and there is a mark on the pulley. They must coincide. There is a third mark on the engine flywheel, opposite the orange dot. There's a tab on the block and a mark on the pulley. The sun is hidden and the orange dot is visible. To replace it, you have to remove the timing cover, remove the viscous coupling. The pulley and belts don't have to be removed, but I removed them to check the rollers and attachments. The crankshaft pulley plugged to bolt on and set the marks. We'll need a large 40mm tool. I have everything ready for replacement. We can dismantle the rollers and start the replacement. But first we need to fix the idler pulley. This is the new idler. This is the back side. This is the front side. We also need to fix the old idler. There is a special hole for this. And you'll need a 10mm hex to create a reverse force. It is fixed in a rectangular window, not in a round one. The belt is no longer under tension and can be removed. When repairing machinery, something will always fall off. You can replace that the cam's hafts do not want to turn anywhere. They do not need the lock. Now you can unscrew the bypass roller. Assemble in reverse order. First install the idler pulley, then the timing belt, and only then the tensioner. I use a piece of cardboard to help me with the installation, pressing the belt against the pulley. We install it counterclockwise so that it does not sag between the rollers and gears. The idler should be installed in this way. There is a removable part and it should be together.
Ставим в сборе. Вот так. После этого мы получаем вот такой результат. Теперь мы берем шестигранник.
Once installed, we take a 10mm hexagon, align the holes and fasten with a bolt.
Подтягиваем и закручиваем болтик на 10. После этого уже можно.
Now you can finally tighten. Check the marks again. For convenience I made my mark on top. And if all the marks match, remove the retainer.
Там я себе ставил еще одну метку, чтобы сверху видеть, правильно стоит или нет. Все стоит правильно. Здесь натяжка есть, здесь натяжка есть, но проверяем, что мы на один зуб нигде не ошиблись.
All done. The belt is installed. Now I turn the engine by the crankshaft bolt a few times and check the marks again.
И все, вынимаем чеку.
I always try to do this a few times if possible, and I would advise you to do the same.
Прокрутил, заколенвал еще несколько раз, по-моему, раза 4. Вот эти метки здесь совпадали, или на 5-й раз они
On this
совпали, или на
engine,
4-й.
because it is a
Дело в
diesel
том, что,
engine,
да,
every fourth
насос
revolution of the crankshaft, the marks should be
стоит
reset.
по моей метке, соответственно, и здесь он стоит по метке. Насос, получается, каждый 4-й раз
This is
должен в
because
эту
the
точку бить,
high-pressure
то есть
pump
он
needs to
как
feed fuel
подает
back
метку,
into the
допустим.
first cylinder,
Вот,
and the
поэтому
timing belt is what
не как на
drives it.
бензинке, один раз прокрутил,
On a
и всё.
gasoline engine it
Следующая
will not
120
work like
рублей
that. Once
не
cranked,
попадет
the
ни разу. Здесь
crankshaft and the
каждый
marks will
4-й
match
как раз.
after a
Я
number of
боюсь
cycles
ошибиться.
equal to the number of
Мы
teeth of
теперь
the
уже просто
timing
собираем
belt.
крышки и заводим. Первый
Now
запуск
you can
после
install all the
завода.
missing parts and start the engine for the first time. Key to start. Works like magic, makes a beautiful sound. This is the end of the video.
Всё, друзья,
Thank
на
you
этом
for
всем
watching
пока.
it. I hope
Подписка
it
на
was
канал,
useful.
лайки, дизлайки, общаемся в
Wait for
комментариях.
new videos. Subscribe and comment. Good luck.